Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Hello, we are from group 6, and now we are gonna explain about our presentation. This is control of Clove plan. And here is our members. First, Rizkia Hubba Salma, number 136, Gagas Candra Pranata, number 138, Rizal Zaka Nur Hakim, number 143, Rumampuk Yunita, number 199, and Joshua Adam Plafo, number 190510. And we're gonna talk about introduction, disease of clove, and disease control of clove.
So the first is introduction. Clove or Syzygium aromaticum is a monoecious, both male and female flower on the same plant. Evergreen tree in the family Myrtaceae grow for its aromatic flower. The many branches of the tree are semi-erect with smooth oval-shaped leaves. The branches end with a 3 and 4 flower near the tip with one terminal flower and the other opening below it. The leaves, flower, and the bark all have a distinct smell. The clove is the unopened flower bud. The tree grows 8 to 90 meters tall and can live to be more than 100 years old. The clove tree may also be referred to as tropical myrtle and are native to Molucca Island. Next. So this is classification about clove. The first kingdom is Plantae, division Magnoliophyta, class Magnoliopsida, order is Myrtales, family is Myrtaceae, the genus is Syzygium, and the species is S. aromaticum. The vast majority of commercially cultivated cloves are used by the tobacco industry to flavor cigarettes. Cloves are also used commonly as spices, either in their whole form or after first grinding into powder.
So once again, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to discuss about the clove leaf pox or pox. So this disease is caused by the fungus Phylus tictaceae. Attack symptoms. First, on the upper surface of the leaves appear spot-like translucent oil droplets. The symptoms are more pronounced in young leaves. Second, the spots then enlarge, the spots then enlarge to become convex on the upper surface and concave on the lower surface of the leaf like small pox or pox. Advanced symptoms sometimes there are small black nodules, mushroom fruiting bodies. Our port one, in plant affected by CDC, the leaves will gradually fall. Next, CDD disease attacks clove plants from nurseries to production plants. Lastly, dispersal is aided by wind, rainwater, and seeds. Next. So the question is, how will we control this kind of disease? So the first thing that we need to do is spraying the fungicide that had been registered with an interval of 7 to 10 days is for convention can be done once every 10 to 14 days. The second one is sanitation of infected leaves and seeds, and eradication of heavily invested plant by cutting and boiling to reduce sources of inoculum. The third, the third one, or the second to the last one is increase the plant resistance through fertilization according to the type and recommended dosage. And the last one that we need to do to control this kind of disease is do not make seedling under the infected clove plants. So that's all.
And the next disease is root rot disease. This is caused by fungi such as Pythium, Rhizoctonia, Phytophthora, usually attack the first critical period of clove plants. Symptoms that appear are yellowing leaves, wilting, and then drying. And if the plant is removed, rotting roots will appear. Control. The recommendation for overcoming this disease are technically the plants are removed and then burned so as not to spread to other plants. While chemically, after the affected plants are removed and burned, the plants around the diseased plant are sprayed with 0.5% copper oxychloride or every 5 grams dissolved in 1 liter of water.
The next is Sumatra disease. Sumatra disease is a bacterial disease that caused by the bacterium Ralstonia siziki or Pseudomonas siziki, which is capable of multiplying in the body of the insect Hindula spp. Early symptoms of the disease include leaf and twig dieback, usually starting with older growth. Symptoms shown are yellowing and wilting of leaves, as well as milky white or reddish white bacterial exudate on rhizomes, roots, stems, or twig. The dead leaves may drop from the tree, or they may lose their color and remain in place, giving the tree a burnt or shriveled appearance. Affected stems may also drop, making the overall shapes of the tree jagged or uneven. Sometimes this dieback affects only one side of the tree. The roots may start decay and gray to brown streak may appear on newer stems. Eventually, the whole tree will die. This tends to take between 6 months and 3 years to happen. The next is control. Some studies have shown that inoculating cloves trees with antibiotic before symptoms start to show can have a positive effect, slowing down the appearance of symptoms and extending the productive life of the trees. This does, however, cause some leaf burn and stunting of flower buds. Second, an antibiotic, oxytetracycline, can be injected into the tree to slow the decline of infected trees, but there is currently no known cure for the disease. Several insecticides can give control of Hindula insect species, which are believed to spread the disease. But we can prevent this disease with collect plant residues, fertilize according to the dose, avoid planting cloves approximately 5 kilometers from the primary forest, planting polycultures, and not planting cloves for 5 years in areas where the plants have been eradicated. And but if the plant has been attacked, we can control it by biological control by utilizing several natural enemies of Hindula spp, such as egg parasitoid. The use of Achnopolynema parasitoid was able to reduce the egg population of Hindula striata by about 20 until 30%. Nymphal parasitoid, Carabonia parasitoid of Hindula vulva name was found in Bengkulu. The parasitic name is black in color and the abdomen is enlarged. And neem and imago predators. Several types of Hindula neem and imago predators such as red ants, Tadigonae, grasshoppers, and spiders. And we can do chemical control with insecticide with the right dose and perform eradication if there are clove plants that have been heavily attacked. And that's for our presentation. If you have any question, please ask on Spada. Thank you.